Welcome to Automotive Solutions, and if you're looking to find the upper and lower oxygen sensor on a Volkswagen Tiguan, you've come to the right place. The first one, as you can see, the engine's removed because it's a really easy visual. Number one, the upper is located right there, right before that honeycomb catalytic converter filter. So that is the first one right behind the engine. Easy to remove once you have access to it. Just unscrew that, and then there's a little plug right up at the top there. The second one is actually after the first catalytic converter, as well as the flex pipe, which is a little further down. You can see it's a little bit mesh right there, and then there's another can. So if you look a little bit further back there, you can actually see the tip of my finger, that other oxygen sensor all the way back there. So there's one right there, and then the second one is right up top here. So I hope this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. Good luck with your project, and have a great day.